Welcome to Week 5 Lesson 2. At the end of lesson, students will be able to multiply with 3-digit numbers. Before moving to multiplication of the numbers, first see some properties of multiplication. First property is the product of a number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. If we multiply 1 with 1, the answer will be 1. If you multiply 1 with 2, the answer will be 2. And so on. You can see examples given in pictures. The same property will be applied on big numbers also. For example, 248 times 1 equals 248, the number itself. Next property is the product of a number multiplied by 0 is 0. For example, if we multiply 5 with 0, then answer will be 0. Few more examples with bigger numbers are also given. Today we will start exercise 11. Question is, find the product of following. The word product is used for multiplication. The first question is 247,945 multiplied by 567. Solution. First write 247,945 in first line. In next line you will write 567. Remember to start working from units column. Units place digit of multiplier is 7. Let's start multiplication with 7. 7 multiplied by 5 will give 35. Write 5 under units column and carry 3 to tens column as written in red color above. Multiply 7 with all remaining numbers. After multiplying with 7 you will get 1,735,615 there. Digits written in red color. Now put an additional 0 in next line, as you can see an additional 0 written in second line in with black color. Why we need an additional 0? Because next digit of multiplier is 6 and place value of 6 is 60, so you will put a 0. Similarly you will 2 additional 0 in third line for hundreds place. Now start multiplying 6, which is written in orange color, with 247,945. Similarly, after multiplying with 6 you will get 14,876,700, which is written in orange color. Now multiply 5 with 247,945. After multiplying you will get 123,972,500 written in green color. Now add the numbers written in red, orange and green color. The numbers you will carry while adding are written in pink color above in first line of multiplication. After adding all the numbers you will get 140,584,815. Here we have question 2 of exercise 11. Given number is 746,590. Multiply it with 435. This product has been solved with same method as used in question 1. Find product by yourself and match your answer from here.